Hey everyone, Sarah here with Signals Everywhere, and today we're going to go war driving for DECT devices. Now, if you're not familiar with DECT, please take a look at one of my previous videos where I actually go through and build a DECT decoding application, which is able to listen into the voice calls of cordless phones and DECT headsets.
Hi everyone, Sarah here with Signals Everywhere, and today we're listening to a cordless phone call on a DECT 6.0 phone using a HackRF and the Detective Toolkit on Windows and Linux.
Now, for war driving, we're not going to listen to voice because obviously there are ethical, legal, and privacy concerns there, but we can drive around and map out the RFPs or radio frequency parts to tell us where these base stations are and what types of devices they might actually be. So we may be able to see where there are different headsets or other devices rather than just cordless phones. Now, I live in a pretty small rural area, so it's going to be interesting to see what we find. But why don't you guys come with me and we'll take a drive around town to see what we find. So you can see we have a dashboard for our war driving session today. This is a particular app that I put together that takes the Detective Android port. It removes the audio playback functionality and then enables it to be used specifically for mapping out these devices into a KML file as well as onto the map in real time. And you can see just pulling out the gate here, we're already picking up some VTech devices, which are very most likely going to be cordless phones in homes and businesses as we drive through the business section of town here. You can see there's quite a few VTech devices that are showing up. And VTech is probably the most common DECT 6.0 phones out here. They're incredibly affordable, and you can buy them at basically any Walmart right now. So I'm not surprised that we're seeing a lot of VTech devices as we drive through town. Now you see we've got this Binaphone one that pops up as well, and I'm thinking that might be a headset, maybe even possibly from this local McDonald's. I'm not really sure. I did go ahead and pull in here, but I did not see any active calls coming in during the time that I was in the drive-thru. But I went ahead and did a quick sweep through. Obviously, nobody's in the drive-thru right now, so the chances of anyone being on that particular headset are slim to none. But I wanted to drive through just in case there were any possible signals. And you'll see as we go around town, I'll pull into a couple of different places just to see what kind of signals are there and whether or not there's anything worth checking out. You can see there's this RTX device that pops up, and we'll have to look that up later to see exactly what it is. But my guess is if it's not VTech, it is probably some sort of headset or intercom of some sort. You can see me pulling into the local bank here as we have more VTech showing up, and that RTX stays on our list as well, driving through this particular area. But again, you see there are no active calls currently. Which is really expected as you drive through town. We're not going to have a ton of active calls. It's more of something you're going to stumble across. And again, we can't listen to those calls with this particular app for privacy reasons, but we are able to see if the particular device is in the middle of a call. So it will still give us that call indication even if we're not listening for a call specifically, which is really handy just to be able to see if there is active voice on that particular channel or device or not. Now, one of the interesting things about DECT is that it is actually capable of encryption. However, it seems, at least in the United States, that the vast majority of manufacturers do not enable any type of encryption on their devices. And I would be interested to hear from my audience and my viewers as far as the DECT devices in their area, because there really is just no encryption that I've seen. In fact, in all my years of playing with DECT, I have never seen encryption on the band even once. So I know that encryption's out there, and I know that it is heavily in use in different countries, but I've never seen it used in the United States. So I'd be really curious to see if anyone has found an instance where that is happening. And just as we're driving through here, you can see we've got quite a few new devices showing up. And of course, always that VTech showing up in the corners as well. Right here, just driving past one of the community centers in town, and you can see we have quite a few devices showing up as we pass that location as well. And then on my way home, I noticed we finally were able to get some voice activity on one of the VTech phones that were picked up. And again, we can't listen into this on this particular app for privacy reasons and legality reasons, but we are able to see, like I mentioned earlier, whether or not a device is in the middle of a call, which I thought was an interesting way to interact with these devices and just passively see what kind of data is moving along. And with that said, I hope you all found this to be an interesting video. Huge shout out to all my viewers, my patrons, and all of my supporters who have stuck with me from the very beginning. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.